Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you one way that can save you hundreds of dollars, and that is by growing ginger at home. I have been growing ginger for last 3 years, and I started with a store-bought ginger. Ginger, which is generally referred to as a ginger root, is actually the rhizome or modified stems that crawl along and sprout new shoots and new roots to keep the plant expanding. So, while selecting the perfect ginger rhizome to grow from the store, you need three things to keep in mind. Number one, it should not be dried or soggy because these are likely to be dead and don't have energy left in them to grow. Number two, look for eyes or growing points. Presence of these eyes is a proof that ginger is ready to grow. Last but not the least, select the larger rhizome with many good growing points. Because if there are more shoots, there will be more photosynthesis, which means more energy and you get ginger faster. These are the fresh rhizomes that I selected, and as you can see, there are many eyes and or growing points on them. The green color on the tip of these eyes means they are more than ready to sprout and put out some shoots. I planted these rhizomes in a pot 3 years back, and in 6 months this is what I harvested. These rhizomes produce pretty good amount of shoots, and I harvested almost double amount of ginger from this one pot. Now, rather than using this ginger in kitchen, I divided these rhizomes and planted them in 3 different pots. After 1 year, on 20 June 2021, this is what I got from those 3 pots. This is the mother rhizome I planted in this one. This time, I kept 2/3 of the harvest for kitchen use, and the rest of 1/3 I planted in this raised garden bed. Because these rhizomes expand horizontally, so I decided to go with this wider pot rather than deep narrow pot for larger harvest. And I also made sure that the soil was loose enough so that rhizomes can creep and expand, and it was rich in organic matter to provide sufficient nutrients for their growth. These are the shoots from those rhizomes after 5 months in November 2021. It took that much time because I planted the rhizomes in June, the month in which winter starts here in Melbourne. And once the spring started, the rhizomes underground started to sprout and shoots came out. That brings me to the point when to plant new ginger rhizome. Well, the best time is the start of spring season, as it is a heat, humidity, and water loving plant. And the container or the pot should be placed where it get plenty of light, at least 2 to 5 hours of direct sunlight, as lots of heat and humidity are favorable growing conditions for ginger. Now, the average rate of ginger in Melbourne is $50 per kg. And this year we harvested around 2 kg of new ginger. So that makes it worth $100, which we saved this year. And this coming year we are planning to save more. What about you?